Good afternoon. We are greatly honored. We are very happy. Shabaini, Slaim, distinguished guests. I think we have here one and only property, also in one and only Rwanda. It is like minds and therefore partners between us and our friends from UAE, from Dubai, that we have found this friendship, this working together in many ways, but significantly this investment and other investments that have been made. I just wanted to say thank you. We appreciate what you have invested in and with us. We have an obligation to make sure that we both benefit from this kind of investment. I will not go into details. I left details to Claire, whose job is just about to do that, and she has done it already, with the specifics of what this contributes to in our economy, also things that matter to our people. And the like minds I was talking about have converged on always aiming high and creating high-end products. It's Rwanda, it's the nature of Rwanda, it's the investments our friends bring to our country, and particularly in this case, one and only, and as mentioned, two of them. But there are other properties as well. So please just know you are at home, away from home, and this is how this investment is going to be treated, like our own, like yours. And we'll always keep trying to add value to it in many ways. So I'm looking forward to our guest tomorrow, His Highness, the Vice President of UAE and Prime Minister. You said he intends to stay here one day. I guess if he arrives and sees what I have seen, he might want to extend his visit. And
definitely he will come back again.
Absolutely. So we are happy, and this is a very good day, and thank you very much, and all the best to everyone.